Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Pass Pro Bro, back with another video. Happy Saturday, guys. As you see, I'm rocking my Atlanta United hat. The boys are playing today. I wish them best of luck, but for now we're gonna go to this weekend review, and of course I'm gonna try to do my best to add some of the content from the Fidelity Portfolio in here as best I can. Guys, thanks for the support to the channel. We're about to hit 1,600 subscribers here soon. Hopefully we'll do that before the end of this month. I'm trying to see if we can get to 2,000 subscribers before the end of the year. That would be great. That would be a big achievement to get to that number. I think that would be really good. Guys, I want you guys to continue to like, share the content the best you can, right? If you see somebody who you think need help getting the finance together, I mean, pass it on to them. See what they think, and you know, we do free consultation on this channel. So if they need help, I do my best to provide insight the best way I can. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just a guide to help you get, you know, your finance in order. Okay, guys. So let's get down to it. It's gonna be a quick video, I promise. And in this portfolio here, we only have from the first, that was the previous week, but these are all the dividends that came in, position activity. I don't know what that means right here. I would have to reach out to them. They don't get enough information. I don't know what that is, but this is what came in on this I'm about to say on this channel, on this portfolio. I mean, it's not a lot, right? But I mean, it's enough for this week. We know we're gonna have some more coming in next week. And with this rate, I mean, I think we're gonna have enough going forward to pay for the monthly fees out of the portfolio. So I'm not, you know, I'm good with that. So I might be able to go ahead and invest the other amount that is sitting there for now. But we'll wait and see as we go forward. All right, and let's get into our Robinhood portfolio. Now, Robinhood, as you guys can see, Bitcoin is continuing to do its thing, and this is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Of course, crypto trade on the weekend. As you can see, this number is moving, right? Crypto trades on the weekend. So, you know, it is what it is, guys. But you know, right now we looking at what's going on with this portfolio. Let me guide it a little bit right now. Let us see here. History. Let's go back up there. Let's see what came in to the portfolio. This is November 15. This is something that coming from the 15. We don't need that. This is from yesterday. I mean, this is still a week, right? This is stuff that's still pending, but we got some NVD, you know, income that came in $6. We got 90 cents here, and another dollar or something. I mean, you know, this is a very small portfolio, and you know, we take it for what it's worth, right? As the income come in, you know, I can't complain. I cannot complain. We take it for what it's worth, and we keep it moving, guys. I just want to show you guys, you know, this is our weekend review. So we're going to weekend stuff to see what happened during the week. Of course, the week go back to Saturday. Sorry, transfer failed. This was how I was trying to transfer my E-Trade portfolio over. That didn't work out, but I'm gonna get it done eventually. But you know, this is a small portfolio. We only got about $3,000 in here, $3,500 that I actually invested into the market. The rest is invested into crypto. So, I mean, and right now crypto is kicking butt, right? So you see this little bit chunk right here, 3,600. Okay, we went up a little bit because of the growth. And then the rest of the portfolio, 89% of the rest of the portfolio is invested into crypto. All right, guys, you see the breakdown right there? And everything else looked decent. I mean, we got a few red. Some of this stuff I might be selling next week. Um, but most of the stuff I'm going to keep for now. You know, for me, I don't mind taking losses. If I be like, oh, I don't worry about losing. I mean, this is business, right? You get rid of regardless, right? So this was came in this portfolio this week. Well, this is yesterday, stuff that came in from yesterday, and we'll go back to the 4th. There's nothing from the 4th, but from here, right? No, wrong place. From here, Cornerstone. Oh, come on. From Cornerstone up. This is stuff that came in. It's not a lot. I mean, but on average, this portfolio is averaging, what is this, each trade? What is it averaging a week? It's averaging almost $200 a week. So that's about right. It's averaging almost $200 a week. So if you look at this right here, I mean, and then we'll go down to the rest of the week from here. That's almost $200 a week, right? It's 10. That's another dollar right there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 12, $13, 170, $20 dollars, sorry, $13. You know, you add this right here. That's $200 right there. So, I mean, it's close. I'm looking at the other trackers, almost $200 a week. So it's close. Can't beat that. Can't beat that with a baseball bat. Now, this portfolio here. Now, guys, mind you, I didn't buy anything other than what was reinvested into the portfolio last week. Everything you see was reinvested into the portfolio last week. Now, this is what I've been telling you guys, right? So I sold some position and took profits, right? I sold some stuff and took profits. And the rest of the stuff is dividend reinvested back into the portfolio up until here. You see, that's on the first. So dividend reinvested back into the portfolio. Now you can see on this portfolio here, right? That's almost $19,500, right? Not almost, it is 19,000 plus 500, almost $600 in here, right? That was sold, and this is all profits, right? This is all profits. We sold some stuff, got some money back, and of course, dividend got reinvested into the portfolio. Now, this is just from this portfolio. Now, on the E-Trade portfolio, I sold $33,155 that I sold on the E-Trade portfolio, right? And of course, this is not counted what I gotta pay. So let me add this up. Plus 16463.29 plus 3091.51. So that's like 50. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like $50-some thousand, $52,700 that I sold, that I took in profits, right? Some of the stuff I sold, I got my money back. Some of the stuff I got a little profit, but I sold. So that's what I got my money back between those two portfolios. And then I got a heck of a load of dividend that came in, that is coming in for Monday. Some of this stuff is for Monday. Some of this stuff is from yesterday, this week, and a buttload of stuff. Let me see how much we got coming in for the week in Fidelity. So Fidelity, we got about $2,000 coming in every week on the Fidelity portfolio. So, I mean, that's a big chunk of change, right? Now, we'll go over here. Of course, the total income dropped because guess what? I sold $52,000 worth of position, right? So, of course, when this thing do its calculation, this $52,000 that's coming, that is out of the portfolio right now. So basically, it's just doing. Now the money is still in the portfolio, so the overall value is still the same because I didn't take the cash out. I just sold, so the cash is still in the portfolio, but the actual annual income drop, because the thing do calculation based on estimate and all that stuff, to the overall income of the portfolio. Let me move this thing. To the overall income of the portfolio. Now, I got three trackers. The other one is still giving me problems. Now let me move this over here. Maybe I can do picture in picture. All right, and I can do this one. Right. So I got two tracker, right? And you can see this one is saying 175,000, and this one is saying 179,000 a year. So usually I like to go with the one that's lower, because the other one is not really working. So you can see right now 14,000 something in income in this portfolio. And of course I don't get all the tabs in this other one because I got it squished up. But weekly, this is generating 3,000 a week. This is more than enough money I need to move out of the country. Income, and then the yield on cost. Of course, the yield on cost is different in this portfolio, in this one, than it is in this one. The yield is 45%, and the cost is 52. And this one is, the cost is 51, and the yield is 52. So, I mean, I don't know. Sometimes these things, it is what it is. That's why I try to just show you guys, so you can think like, oh, Edwin, you just talking crap. I use a multiple tracker because I'm too lazy to calculate the thing. And as far as it goes, I can't complain. The income difference in here, this one probably gonna say, let me see, 12 or 13 is down to 11. Right now, it's down to 11, and the other one say 14. So I don't know who's right, because we already got a chunk of money already into the portfolio, and what I'm looking at for this week is close to the amount that is estimated to come in, right? And everything haven't come in yet. So, because some of these brokerage, they pay different time. It just depends on the brokerage, the broker. They pay at different times. So, sometimes I look at the income, and of course the income dropped overall because I sold so many positions. And it's still doing this calculation as things settle in the back end. This is a drop. They might drop another 1,000. But do I really care? No, because I just pull out $52,000 of my money out of positions that I had. So now, next week, when the market open, we're gonna go back and start buying some of those positions that are gonna be paying dividend next week to boost up this dividend, right? Because that's something I wanted to try to see how best I can do it. And we'll go from there, right? I'm gonna buy the positions and see. We might make a few $1,000s in one of those positions that I'm gonna pick up, and then after that, when we get our dividend, we're gonna sell and come out and put the money in something else. But I don't want to make this video long. But guys, y'all can see I'm very transparent with everything that I do. Of course, I mean we're still on the road to get to millionaire status, right? We're still down to this year. We need to get it down some more. We're gonna pick it back up, because the thing is, I need to put some of this money back into my core, and I want to feel comfortable, right, when I invest. So I always tell you guys not to invest in the high yield, because you can lose a lot of money. And yes, I've lost $1, $2, 500, 1,000, 2,000, but I make that back in other positions. So you can't win them all, right? So, but remember to invest in your future. This is not financial advice, guys. So you do it at your own risk, okay? Another thing I want to say is, tomorrow is our weekly Edwin Talk video. I got a few things to talk about, but I don't know which one I'm going to do. And you guys know I don't write nothing down. I just talk. So we will see how it goes, and what my mind's going to lead me tomorrow, and that's what we're going to talk about. But until then, it's 6 p.m. over here in Atlanta, Georgia. I wish you guys a blessed and happy Saturday. We're going to do this again tomorrow. And stay blessed. Invest in your future. Peace. Go ATL.